Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here with the one example for dictionary. Okay, and the question is like if I want to filter a dictionary based on some condition or based on some value given. Okay, so we can filter also. So for that we will require one dictionary. So for example, I am writing marks equal to or m is equal to actually and curly bracket because of the dictionary. And if it is student name, for example, Vishal and I will write for example 66 marks for example I'm writing then we can say Akash um, will write suppose 42 marks. Okay, then one more person student Shruti will write suppose 85 and also we will add one more entry for example uh, Sahil and for example marks are 92 or something like this. Okay, and we can enter one more also like for example Nishant and we can write for example 45. Okay, so this is nothing but our dictionary like student name we can say and marks also. And as I said, we have to filter out based on, I think maybe it can be a condition also, it can be a value also. And here we are going to use the concept of comprehension also. Okay, so if for example like if marks are greater than equal to 50, so it should print that student like name and value only. So what I will do is I will write first of all in the next line I will write uh, result, that will be my variable to store the answer, and it is a dictionary comprehension. So we will write in the curly brackets, and we want two things, one is key and one is value. Okay, so now I am writing comprehension part for. Okay, and we want to store our answer in this two variable only. So here also we have used the same name, therefore key comma key colon value, and here also for I instead of ing we have used key comma value. Okay, and then in, and obviously we have a dictionary, name of that dictionary is m, and we know one function of this dictionary, it gives you key as well as value. But obviously if I write this, it will give me everything. But what we want, if, okay, if value means first it will assign key also and value also one by one. But if what we want is if value is greater than 50, so if value greater than equal to 50. Okay, so we are done. So how this is going to work is first it will start from this part, that is for key comma value. So one by one this function will fetch key and value, and it will store in key and value. Then it will jump to this part, if value is greater than 50, then you take key also and value also and assign into result. So at the end we will obviously print result. And one more thing, like here it will not print 40 this one, and it will not print this one, it will print only the first one, then third one and fifth one. So let us save this program first of all. See, it is like 66, 85 and 92, it is not printing. So this is a very basic and simple question that you can easily filter out but using the comprehension method. Thank you everyone.